Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add video and photo together on Instagram post. So let's begin. As you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. Now to add a post, we need to tap on plus icon and we have to tap on post here. And from here, we would actually like to add one video and one picture. So first of all, we're going to tap on select multiple. So from here, what we can do, we can tap on a picture. And along with that, we can also tab on a video here. So this is the video. So we have selected a picture and a video. Now we're going to tap on next. So in here, you can see this. The first one is actually the video. So I can also change the order of this by simply dragging this. And similarly, if you wanted to edit that, we can also tap on the image here. And similarly, we can also tap on the video as well. And here you can also see the option of audio text overlay filter. So you can simply do the modifications here on your video if you wanted to. And same goes for the image as well. But right now, I don't want to do any modification. I'll just simply tap on next. And now I will simply tap on share. And if I refresh my profile now, you'll be able to see a new post here. So we're going to tap on that. And you can see here, this is actually our video. And after this, we have our picture here. So this is how we can add a video and photo together on Instagram post. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.